the spirit of Halloween, I'm going to show you how to make these super cute horn hair clips. These are such a great way to accessorize your outfit if you don't want to wear a costume. If you're like me, I'd rather wear a Halloween outfit. I've got my red jacket on, red lipstick. I'm not big on costumes because it's a one-time wear and you pay like $50+ for it. I'm not about that life.
You'll need 5 things for this tutorial. Number 1, polymer clay. You can choose any color you like. For mine, I'm using red. Number 2, hair clips. They need to have a flat base so you can glue the horns on them. Number 3, a clay slicer. This is used to cut the clay smoothly and evenly. Number 4, super glue. You'll use this to attach the horns to the hair clips. Number 5, a clay oven. As with any polymer clay project, you'll need an oven dedicated to baking clay. Number 6 is optional, a glossy varnish. After baking the horns, you can coat them with a varnish that gives them a glossy shine. Now that you have your materials, let's get started. Take a good amount of clay for each horn and roll them into a ball. The size of the ball depends on how big you want your horns. For these, I'm doing 1 inch. Once you have your ball, roll it into a cylinder. The length depends on how long you want your horns. I'm going to do 1.5 inches. Take the edge of the cylinder and roll it into a point. Keep pinching the end of the clay to get that sharp point. Cut off the dull end so that you're left with a straight horn. Curve the pieces so that the horns look more natural. Bake the horns in the clay oven according to the instructions on the brand of clay you're using. After baking, let them cool before proceeding to the next step. Once the horns are cooled off, position them on the hair clip depending on how you'll wear them. Put a small amount of super glue on the hair clip and attach the horn to it. You can leave your horns like this, or you can add a shiny varnish. In my case, I want them to be shiny. Once the varnish dries, they're ready to wear.
You can make these in so many different colors too. You can even add glitter, you can paint them, you can do whatever your imagination wants to do. If you found this tutorial super easy and fun, and to show your support, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching!